More often than not, we hear about the negativity in the world around us. But let's talk to the staff at 100 Families to find out how their work makes a difference for families in crisis.
My name is Tara Watkins, and I'm the county coordinator for the 100 Families Initiative in Crawford County. When the governor took office, Governor Hutchinson took office in 2015, he recognized that there was a very high rate of incarceration and children entering foster care due to that. So he challenged Arkansas to find 100 families and move them from crisis to career. The initiative piloted in Sebastian County in 2019, and it has grown to 6 other counties in Arkansas since then. What we do is essentially we move families from crisis to career. That is our goal, providing holistic case management in the communities using existing community resources and connecting them to families. So if a family is in crisis, we get referrals from several different points of contact in the community, and then we are able to provide services. So we connect services to them by figuring out where their needs are the most and go from there. And those needs are included housing, recovery, transportation, childcare, mental health, safety, employment, education. So we started in the fall of 2020. We were launched here in Crawford County, and since then we've served over 200 families. Currently we have 133 active families, and we average about 15 to 25 referrals a month. A lot of families have come in needing assistance with, rental relief, so we work closely with DHS and, state-funded programs as well to help those families in those situations. But because of that, we want to plan with the family so that we're not in that situation again. And that's the point of the program, is to meet them where they're at, but make a plan to where they can move forward in their lives and move to that career piece that's past stabilization. It's not just getting stable, it's moving past that stabilization to where they can have a job or a career that they can support their family where they're not hopefully in that situation again. So some of the community resource that we work with, we partner with United Way as a huge partner with us. So we work with them really closely. Here in Crawford County, we partner with DCFS, our local DCFS office, and our court systems. We attend juvenile courts, we're in DCFS court, we have, some case managers in drug courts and things like that. We also partner with New Start with Children and Families, and the Adult Education Center here in Van Buren, Crawford County. They're a huge partner as well. We do have some Facebook pages for 100 Families. There's the 100 Families Initiative in Arkansas, and it's on Facebook, and that's what the title is. And then there are different groups for each county. So we're in 6 counties in Arkansas. So anybody can go to those Facebook groups, and you can be added to the group if you're in that community, and then there you can communicate with myself or whatever, or the community coordinator that's located in those counties. And that would probably be the best way to organize donations. Every month we have an alliance meeting for each county. Crawford County's alliance meetings are on the 3rd Friday of each month, and those meetings are for partners to come in, and either existing partners or people who want to get involved with the initiative can come and listen to a panel, talk about a specific topic that's relevant to the community. And those are held at the Adult Education Resource Center in Crawford County.
So my story with 100 Families started in 2019 when my children were taken into foster care due to drug use, and my husband and I heard about 100 Families through parenting class. We enrolled in 100 Families. They helped to connect us to resources for things like utility bills and rent assistance. And then for some basic needs that we needed around the house to bring our kids back, so things like a crib. They also provided us with a vehicle about a week after our transmission went out of our vehicle. So they have done so much for our family, and now we have the opportunity to pay that back. 100 Families gave us the opportunity to totally turn our lives around and get back on track. So when I have families come in to meet with me, I can see some of our story in there sometimes, and getting to be that person for them, like Karen and the other people in 100 Families were for us, is very special. To work with these families and be an ally for them like we had, and we didn't have that before 100 Families. Definitely for people not to be afraid to ask for help or to reach out to somebody. You know, there is help for them out there. They might just not know about it, and hopefully one day 100 Families can spread to more counties and maybe more states. It's a really great program for people who are in crisis and don't know where to turn, and not only to meet that immediate need, but for them to reach stabilization in the future.